is a giant snake attacking a dog! Hello, can you hear me? I need help, please! We are in the highway!
Okay, I get it.
We have an emergency. There's a dog that needs immediate assistance. Code red.
Okay, everyone, we have the location and we know what we are going to face. Let's go.
This creature is colossal. We go non-lethal first.
Grab the new sonic deterrent. Copy that.
Remember your training. Priority 1, secure the dog. Priority 2, subdue the target. No mistakes.
This thing is massive. Stick to the protocol, no heroics.
Doors secure. Checklist complete. Going dynamic. Get us airborne now.
We're here to help you!
Where'd I swim what? Get a grip on its midsection. We need to ease the pressure on the dog.
I'm trying. This thing is pure muscle. Be careful with its head.
Harness secured. Dog's ready for extraction.
Affirmative. 3, 1, 2, P-U-L.
Together!
It's not working. The coils are too tight. The rope is just hurting the dog.
Then we need to apply physical force. Let's use something different, like shields.
Shield's tight. Hold the line. Don't let it get to the dog.
Net's ready. On my mark. Keep the pressure.
It works, but the snake is trying to escape.
Deploy the gas. Stop its movement. Now!
Contained. Dog is safe. Repeat, target contained. You are safe now, buddy. You are safe now. It's initiated. Slow and steady. Easy on the hoist. Easy. It's ready. Affirmative. Creature incoming. Down, easy. Clear the tail. Almost there. Perfect. Lower. Almost there. Easy down. Watch the alignment. Okay, hold. Lock it in. All right, just a little pinch. You're being so brave. We're getting this wrapped up. Easy there, buddy. You're okay. Almost done. Good boy. Get that energy back.
Oh, thank God. You're gonna be just fine, aren't you?
Action team, this is ground. Mission complete. Requesting immediate air recovery for the asset. Over!
He's all yours. Thank you for the quick work.
Our pleasure. He's a very brave boy.